Hello guys, welcome to GRN ID Hub, and this is my first video and I request all of your support for my further videos and all. And I have enough years of experience as a software developer, and I have a good knowledge on different tools like I'm mostly working on a data engineer, so I have a more knowledge on the cloud technologies, and as well as I have a good knowledge in the Python, Java, React, JS tools and Power BI as well. So here in the coming days as well, we will share our knowledge on day to day. And in this video, like I'm going to discuss one of the most interview question for the freshers, that is for the find a even or not odd without using a modular division symbol. So we have a different methods to find a even or odd without using modular division. So here we are going to discuss like some methods. Normally why it is important, guys, like in the most of the freshers, so they might have faced this experience like find a even or odd without using modular symbol. So they won't, even though they didn't say mention about the find an even or not without using modular, then if you're going with a simple way, that is find the even or odd with using modular symbol, so that will give us something normal impression to the recruiters. So if you're going a different way, and that will give the better impression to the recruiters. So we have to give the better impression to the recruiter so that we may have the more chance to recruit. And see, we have a different methods, guys. Like one is like we can solve that, find a number using bitwise operator, and we can solve using division and floor division and right shift left shift and looping subtraction and converting that number to string, and we can find. So these are the different methods we can find a number even or odd without using modular symbol, guys. See here, like here I'm telling about the one is like bitwise operator. Okay, this is a simple code, guys. Okay, so here what I'm doing, just I'm doing the if condition, and here I'm keeping like a number at one that is equal to zero. If it is equal to zero, then only it will be even. So you might know, for example, how it is a bitwise operator to work. It will work based on the binary. Let if you come here. So for example, if you take number as 5, for that number the binary value is like 101. And if here, as per the logic, I'm going to add 1, right? So here if I'm keeping 1, then if I'm doing AND operator, the output will be, so if both are 1, then it will be 1. So if one is 0 and another is here also 0, you can say. So it is 0 and 0. The final value will be 1. But in our case, if the final value will be 0, then only it is even. But now this else if condition is false, so it will print as odd. But that is only right our expected thing as well. 5 is odd. So if I'm giving like 6, for 6, okay, the value will be 110. And again I'm going to add 1 means still 10 is a 0, and here also 00 will be there. So again 0. Finally the output will be 0. That is our condition. Okay, if the number and 1 where it will become a 0, then it is even. So 6 will become a even number. Let's see, guys. Okay, this is a general method. Okay, let me execute in the compiler as well. Okay, see, this is a modular division symbol. This is the way we are all the people are doing. If I'm giving 5, this is odd. If I'm keeping 6, then this is even. This is the general method. So if I'm going for that method one, that is like bitwise operator. If you check, here is the AND operator I have used. Okay, let me exclude this. Now I'm giving like 5. See, you was getting 5 is a odd. If I'm giving 6, you will get even. So this is the one of the important method. Okay, you can, if you say this method, then you will get a more attraction to this, attraction to the interviews. So we have another method as well, guys. Like here I'm going to tell everything is in a Python language, guys. So you may work in the Java or any different language as well. So we have a different method. Like another method is division and floor division, guys. Okay, you might know. So what will become, okay, if I'm giving the floor, and let me exclude this. Okay, Uh, so to save our time, okay, I have already make that code. Okay, it will become easy to us, guys. So if you compare here, okay, Normal in the Python, this is a floor division symbol, okay? This is a normal division. So if I'm using floor division, it will give you the perfect value, and if I'm using division, then it will give the decimal related value. So if I'm passing, for example, if I'm passing number equal to 5, then for the floor division it will become a 2, but if normal division it will become a 2.5. So here what I'm doing in the if condition, I'm just keeping if number floor division of 2, then the value become exact same, okay? If I'm giving 5, then the exact input it will be 2, standard value it will give. But if I'm using normal division, then it will give the equal part, that is 2.5 and all. So it is not like same. But if I'm keeping 4, then for this also you will get 2, and for this also as well you will get 2. Both are equal, that is even. Let you can see if I'm keeping 5, you will get odd, and here you may get here the for a floor division he was getting 2, but normal division he was getting 2.5. That, so obviously 2 is not 2 equal to 2.5, it's false, so it will print as number is odd. But if I'm executing by giving, for example, I'm giving 8, okay, let's see. If I'm giving a, if you check here, floor division also giving 4 and normal division also giving 4. So here 4 equal to 4, it's true, so the number is even. This is the another method, guys. And we have two more methods. So one is like, see, looping subtraction method and string. Looping subtraction is nothing but, for example, so for example, I'm taking 5, guys, okay? I'm using while loop. In that while loop, I'm subtracting that number value with a 2. Here, see, this is the code I have written here, okay? See here what I did. Just I have, this is the main thing, okay? I'm checking starting if number greater than 1. That means if I'm passing 5 means the number is greater than 5. Number is greater than 1. So then fine, it will come to this, and here I'm subtracting number equal to number minus 2. So starting value, it will become a 5, starting I'm passing. But again, number minus 2 means it will become a 3. And again, 3 is greater than 1. So it's 2, again it will come, and here it will become a number minus 2. That means 1 you will get at last. Here it will come number greater than 1. No, it's false. Then the condition is false, then it will come here. Now final the number value will be 1. If number equal to 0, it is even. But I'm getting the number as 1, right? If I'm keeping 5, so number is odd. If I give 5 value, you will get odd, okay? If I'm keeping 6, okay, you will get even. This is for the 5, right? Same way you can check for. If I'm giving 6 mean starting the 6 will be 6 greater than 1, true. Again it will come and number minus 2. That means 6 minus 2 equal to 4. And again the loop it will 4 greater than 1, it's true. Again it will come here, and 4 minus 2, that is true. Again 2 greater than 1, it's true. Then it will come here, and 2 minus 2, that's 0. And again it will come to the while, and 0 greater than 1, it's false, so it will come out of the loop, and here it will check number double equal to 0, it's true, so it will print a even number. So this is the way it will work. This is the another method, guys. And another method is like using string. So here I'm simply doing, okay, using some inbuilt librarian methods in Python. Like I'm converting that number that is integer to a string format, and then I'm taking the last digit value. So this is the code, okay? Here, guys, I'm taking the number, and here I'm converting that number to a string. And this string, this is the code to convert that number to string. And again, from this string value, I'm taking the last digit. To fetch the last digit, I need to give the -1. If I'm keeping 1 means it will take the starting onwards, okay? The index will be start from 0 only, just for your understanding, okay? If I'm keeping -1 means it will come start take the last digit value. So, and here I'm comparing. If last digit is in between, in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, any of the digit is there, then it will print a even. Otherwise, it will print an odd. Okay, let me exclude. If I'm keeping 569, okay, the last digit is 9. That 9 digit is not exist here. Obviously, it will print odd. 569 is an odd. If I'm keeping like, for example, 8956, last digit is 6, and here 6 is there. So it will print a even number. This is the another method, guys. And the final method we have is like right shift and left shift of operator. Okay, this is also different one, guys. Okay, maybe I hope you have a basic idea of left shift and right shift operator. And even though I will try to give some brief details, I guess. So greater than this symbol is the right shift operator. Okay, RS, and this is the left shift operator. And guys, if I'm passing number equal to 10, number equal to 5, for example, okay, if I'm passing number equal to 5, then right shift, it will, how it will work means right shift, it will divide that number into two parts. So 5 floor division, 5 by 2. Then what will be the value? 2, right? So 5 will become the 2. But here in the left shift, it will multiplication. It will do the multiplication of 2. Then it will become a 10. In the real time, how it will work means, for example, if I'm keeping number equal to 5 means number right shift of 1, then 5 floor 5 floor division of 2, then the value will be 2. And if I'm keeping left shift, then the number will become a 10. Why? Because 5 into 2, then 10. Maybe, for example, in one more case, like now I'm taking number equal to 10, guys. Okay, here I'm keeping 1, right? Let's take, if I'm going to keep 2, then how it will work means first 10 floor division by 2, the value will become 10 to 5, it will come, right? And again, this is for one time, but I'm keeping 2, right? Again it will do. So again 5 by floor division by 2, the value will become 2. This is the way it will happen. Okay, if you're keeping more number here, then it will do the more number of operations. So that is the basics of right shift and left shift. So if you check what I did here, so I did simply what I did. So I have compared the result of the left shift and the right shift operator. Based on that, I'm getting the whether the number is even or odd. If you see here, first what I'm doing, I'm doing the right shift. Okay, right shift is nothing but dividing, right? Floor division. If I'm keeping the number equal to 5, for example, in this, for example, here I'm keeping the number equal to 5. Now number right shift of 1. That means 5 right shift of 1. The value will become a 2. That because it will go for the floor division. Again this 2, what I'm doing? I'm doing the left shift. Left shift is nothing but the multiplication. So now 2 left shift of 1 means the value will become a multiplication. 2 into 2 equal to 4. This 4 is not equal to the exact number. Number is 5, but now I'm getting 4. If it is true, here it is comparing 5. 4 equal to 5. This is not true, right? It is a false. So it will print a odd. But this is for the 5 case, okay? If you check for the 6 number value, okay? 6 right shift of 1 means what will be the floor division value? 3. Again, 3 left shift of 1 means 3 into 2. That means 6. Again 6 equal to original number, right? The number equal to 6. So 6 equal to 6. It's true if condition. So it will print an even. This is for odd number, right? Let's see, check for the even. That is, I'm giving 6. See, 6 is an even number. So these are the different methods, guys, okay? Left shift or right shift. We have these are the different methods to find whether the number is even or odd. So I hope you all got the clear understanding, guys. If you have any doubts, okay, anything queries, and if you want any video on any special logics and all, so please comment on below. So I'm happy to help you guys. Thanks for watching and please like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.